Hey everyone, and welcome back. Before we begin here today, please make sure that you like and subscribe because it really does help out our channel, and it also helps us reach others in need of assistance with these topics. So what we're going to be over in today's video is we're going to be looking at geometry, and we are going to be looking at how to use Heron's formula to find an area of a triangle. And we'll also be going over what exactly is Heron's formula. So Heron's formula is a formula that relates the perimeter of a triangle to the area of a triangle. So the area using Heron's formula, and there's two different ways you can see it or you can write it. So the first one will be the area equals a large square root of your perimeter divided by 2, multiplied by your perimeter divided by 2, subtracting off one of your sides, which we'll just call A. And then that is multiplied by your perimeter over 2, subtracting off your second side, and we'll call that side B. And then finally, multiplying again by your perimeter over 2, subtracting off your third side, C. So that is the technical way Heron's formula is written, but you may also see it written like this, where it is the area is equal to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, and all of that square rooted. Where in this case, S is just simply your perimeter over 2. So you can see it written in both of these formats here. So your perimeter, which is P, will just be your 3 sides added together, which is just going to be A plus B plus C. So it doesn't matter which side you label as A, B, or C, just as long as you're consistent throughout. So in this case, let's just say that our A side is 10 inches, our B side is 17 inches, and our C side is 21 inches. Once again, it does not matter which one you label as A, B, or C, as long as you're consistent when plugging them into the formula. So using this formula of A plus B plus C, for our perimeter of our triangle, we would just have 10 plus 17 plus 21 gives us 48 inches total to get all the way around of that triangle. So if you were to use the second portion with S, S is just your perimeter over 2. So that essentially would be 48 over 2, which would give you 24 inches. Once again, it doesn't matter which formula you use. Alrighty. So let's go ahead, since you have your perimeter and we have each side designation here. So A is 10, B is 17, and C is 21. Using the first one or the top one up there, or let's just use the second one, that's the shorter one. So your area would be the square root of your S, which is your perimeter over 2, which is 24 times your S again, which is 24 minus off your side A, which we're calling as 10. And then multiplied by 24 minus B, which we're saying is 17. And then once again, multiplied by 24, subtracting off side C, which is 21. And so we're going to take this portion times that portion, all times 24. So let's simplify this down even further. So 24 multiplied by 24 minus 10, which gives me 14. 24 minus 17. So 24 minus 17 gives me 7. And then 24 minus 21 gives me 3. So taking all of this, multiplying all that together, then square rooting it, we get a total of 84 inches squared for our total area. So as I said earlier, it doesn't matter if you use the longer version, which is the original version, or if you use the shortened version where you just substitute an S as your perimeter divided by 2. Just don't forget to square root at the end there. That is usually the biggest hiccup there. So that's how you would use Heron's formula in order to find the perimeter of a triangle if you're given, or the area of a triangle if you're given all 3 sides as the perimeter. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more problem solve this Friday, please check out other videos on our channel. Also, if you haven't done so already, please like this video, leave a positive comment below, and subscribe to the channel because all of that does help us out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.